Most Christian students will graduate in 2026 with a degree, a Bible verse on their wall, and zero financial freedom. And here's the question nobody is asking. If God called you to impact the world, why are you broke? Stay till the end, because I'm going to show you the exact skills that are quietly making young Christians financially free, while everyone else is still waiting on a 9-to-5 to save them. This isn't about greed. This is about stewardship. Let's get into it.
Here's the truth nobody in church will tell you. Proverbs 10:4 says, "Lazy hands make for poverty, but diligent hands bring wealth." God is not against money. He's against the wrong relationship with money. And right now, most Christian students have been taught to pray for provision, but never trained to build it. You're sitting on gifts, on time, on a calling, and the world has skills that can turn all of that into income. The question is, are you going to learn them or keep waiting? The first skill is copywriting. Words that sell. Every church needs it, every ministry needs it, every business on the planet needs it. And as a Christian, you already understand people's deepest emotions. Hope, fear, purpose, redemption. That makes you a dangerous copywriter. Brands are paying $500, $1,000, even $5,000 for a single email or sales page. And you can learn this skill in 30 days for free on YouTube. Skill number 2, video editing. Content is the new currency. Pastors, coaches, Christian influencers, they all have a message, but most of them have no idea how to edit. You do the editing, they do the preaching. You both win. A single video editor can charge $300 to $1,500 per video. And here's the thing, when your work is excellent, that is your worship. Colossians 3:23, whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord. Excellence is your testimony. Skill 3, social media management. Every business, every ministry, every brand needs a presence online. Most of them have no time to run it. You come in, manage their pages, grow their audience, post their content, and you get paid monthly, recurring income, every single month. Start at $300 a month per client. Land 3 clients? That's $900 a month as a student, working from your hostel room or your bedroom. Skill 4, graphic design. Canva made this accessible for everyone. Flyers, logos, church bulletins, brand kits, the demand is everywhere. And as a Christian student, your first clients are sitting right next to you in church every Sunday. Start local, build a portfolio, then go global on Fiverr and Upwork. Now this is the 2026 skill most people are sleeping on. AI prompt engineering. Companies are paying people just to know how to talk to AI tools to get results. Content creation, automation, research, customer service. If you learn how to use tools like ChatGPT and Claude at a professional level, you become invaluable. And the best part? You can learn this in weeks, not years. Here's what I want you to do right now. Pick one skill from this list, just one. Commit to 30 days of learning it, 1 hour a day. That's it. Not because you want to be rich, but because God didn't place a calling on your life for you to be financially paralyzed. Your income is your influence, and your influence is your ministry. If this video added value to you, subscribe to Hustle Decode, because we're here every week breaking down the tools, the mindset, and the moves that actually work for students like you. Drop a comment below. Which skill are you starting with? Let's build, let's grow, and let's do it for something bigger than ourselves.